Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the giant deals for the week of November the 14th through the 20th, 2025. So I did not get an ad this week in the mail, and then Giant never put their ad live until Thursday. Last I saw it was Thursday late afternoon, and I was really busy. I did not have time to do a top 5 deals video, so that's why you haven't seen me for a while. It's just because I had nothing to work with, so hopefully you can understand that. Let's go ahead and just get into the deals. You'll definitely want to keep your eyes out for a savory magazine. I didn't look until I was checking out and I just grabbed it. There are coupons in here for the Nature Zone. So that's a deal I missed out on there. You could get extra savings. So keep your eyes out for that. All right, so spend 10, save 3. I went really crazy on this deal because I do a ton of baking all year long. So I grabbed 7 of the sugars at $3. And 5 of the chocolate chips at $3.99. So I spent $40.95, and the $3 instant savings came off 4 times. So it's like paying $28.95 or $2.41 each. And for me, being a baker, that is a good savings. If you don't do a lot of baking, you would think this looks ridiculous. So you can definitely go small. You could grab 2 bags of sugar, 1 bag of chocolate chips, and like a $1 pack of Jell-O or pudding, and you would be set just to keep it small. All right, the potatoes, $1.97 when you buy 2. I think that's with the digital coupon, but I'm not sure. The sweet potatoes, this is the in-ad coupon, $1.99 for a 5-pound bag. It's like paying 40 cents a pound. That's a pretty good price. Normally we see it go like 39 cents a pound, so normally not much less than that. So I went ahead and just grabbed those for Thanksgiving this year. The canned veggies are 60 cents each when you buy 5. That'll probably run through Christmas. Generally, they run that for weeks on end until New Year's, I believe. All right, so the Pillsbury is $3 each. I used my card that still had 2 different $1 off of 2 digital coupons. Buy 3, save 3. Fetch gave me back 500 choice points. So I paid $3.50 for 3 of them, or only $1.17 each. And I just tried out this new recipe that I kind of invented in my head for a caramel apple cinnamon roll bake. It was so good. So I'm going to try to film it next time I make it. Use those cinnamon rolls and do a video for you guys, cooking video. The Prego, that's 2 for 3 when you buy 2. I think the deal might be a limit of 2 or 4 or 3 maybe. I don't know. I just did the deal twice. Betty Crocker, 4 for 4 when you buy 4. Fetch gave me back 400 points. There's $1 back on 3 and I bought them. So it's a cost of $2.60 or only 65 cents each. Sorry guys, if I talk too fast, just slow me down in your speed back if it's a little too fast. And I always have the breakdown in the description box below. So you are able, starting today, to pick up your free turkey or lasagna or party-size stouffers. Use 400 points. Now, it did say it was valid on, I forget, up to like 15 pounds or something. But this turkey was almost 20 pounds and it was still for free. Buy 3, save 7. So I grabbed one of these Vaseline at $6.79. This is a gift from my husband for Christmas. One of these other little ones at $3.79 and a little Nivea at $2.79. I got back 75 cents on Fetch for purchasing $7 worth of Vaseline and $2.50 for purchasing $9. So it was like a double dip deal. So I only paid $3.12 for those items there. Now, if you want to just get a real cheap deal, you could grab 3 of these at $2.79. I think it's like $1.43 for 3 of them. I didn't need that deal, but if you want little stocking stuffers, that could be an idea. The Nature Zone, they are buy one, get one free at $4.49. I bought it, giving back $1 on each package. And then if you can get additional $1 off in the Savory magazine, that would be even cheaper. So I paid $4.98 for 4 packs or $1.25 each. The bread, if you redeem 75 choice points, it's like paying only 75 cents for that. Let's see. I was so excited about this Yankee candle deal. I love candles, especially this time of year. And I'm probably going to gift some of these. I also got 2 on my other card. These little guys are $10.99. They gave us a 5 off of 1 digital coupon like a week or 2 ago. And this morning they gave us a 10 off of 2. If you buy 2 of them, they both actually work. Only $6.98 or $3.49 each. That would be a great little teacher gift or a small coworker gift or just something little. Super easy and super cheap. Okay, the Activia this week is the 5-point freebie on the pre-probiotics. I bought it. It's also giving back $1, so that's a little $1 moneymaker. The cheese, the sliced, the shredded, or the chunk cheese is $1.88 when you buy 3. The Breakstones is $1.99. My card had 30 choice points back when you buy 1. So it was like paying $1.69. The smart ones, they are 5 for $8 with a digital coupon. My husband really likes to have those. The little smokies, they were $3.50. If you need those for the holidays, I would say get them and just save them for that time of year, because that is a really good deal. I like to have those on New Year's Eve. The Chobani, just make sure you're using up your free coupons. If you contacted them, they'll probably soon be running out, so I would contact them one more time before Christmas. The Rosina Meatballs, if you contact them, they also send you a free meatballs and actually a coupon for free meatballs. So I need to go through all my coupons and make sure none of them expire soon, because a lot of them that you request at the beginning of the year, they will expire in December. So make sure you go through your coupons and use up any of those freebies that you have. Oh, I also had a $1.50 digital coupon that I totally forgot was attached to that. But the cashier just pushed it right through. So that was like an additional $1.50 off all the rest of the groceries. So technically this shouldn't have worked, but I didn't even realize that was still on there. So just be aware of that if you decide to use the coupon. All right, guys, so that's it for this week. I got a ton of stuff, lots of good deals, lots of good stock up deals to keep in the stockpile. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.